to add funny sound through Capcut. You added a video, you make a content and you trying to add funny sound on it. You don't know how to do it. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add funny sound on your video. You don't need to stress yourself. Everything you need on this on the Capcut. Like this funny sound you are hearing here
Oh
now, this one
my
or the
god.
other one here. All this funny sound and more of it are on the Capcut waiting for you. Join me, let me show you how to add it through your Capcut. Let's go. Just go to your Capcut, click on new project. If you click on your new project, you click on that video that you want to add funny sound on. You click on this one. This is the one that I've added already, but I'm going to show you how I did it. When I click, you click on that video, that is that content that you want to add funny sound on. You click on your audio here, go to sound FS, click on sound FS. When you click on sound FS, you like this one say I can't just stop laughing. I've added funny sound here, but I'm going to show you. Once you click on this thing now, if I click on it, you start to see it here. How to add funny sound through Capcut. That's exactly how you are going to see. So you, when you added it, you have to adjust, or you use split. Depending on, if you use split here, it cut it. Either you choose to delete this side, the right side, or the left side. That is all you need to do on this. That is when you go to your Capcut, you choose the funny sound. There are so many of them here. If you are looking at it here, there are so many of them here. Transition, horror, mood, fly, fight, magic, variance, mechanical, game, BMG and ambience. So many of them. You are the one to make your choice. You download it, add to your content and cut it, that is split it the way it suits you. That is all you need to do on this. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Love you.